In this module you shall learn about our e-learning services and benefits. Know about API certifications in general and API 577 in particular. What you should expect on exam day and some useful exam tips. What you are expected to know, and the course layout. Introduction. We shall provide you with all the knowledge and information you need to know in order to pass the API 577 exam. There are 3 definite leads to help you understand what type of questions to expect during examination. These are API 577 and its cross-references, Ask Me 5 and Ask Me 9. Body of knowledge or what you are expected to know. Exam score report.